Henry has a lovely busy day. Had a new head from plastic surgery last time. Had a lovely head. A taxi takes us to school. Had a lovely good day to school. Had a lovely last time. But he can't move. 'Cause there is bins everywhere across the door. I know what's that say. It says cancel more birth cancel recycle bin logo. I wrote it off. Oh god, it won't come off. It's a bin! So that's why bins don't come off in every single bin. I think you should go in somewhere. I had to move out of the way. So let the monsters pass. Hello, you monster! Oh, the guy's talking like a monster. Oh. Oh, had a lovely good day. Had a lovely good day. Excellent idea. Yeah. Right, I know where he's up to. From now on, for good, lovely riddance, where he's at. Hey, buddy, can you close the camera? Oh, okay, close the camera. Yes, that's a fucking excellent idea. Will you watch your language? Oh, wow, you yeah. Ow. Okay, I just had to move on the side. So, just in case, before you move this way. What are you doing there, monster?
Getting all the bricks in.
I know, he's a monster. You know what you just heard? Back controller. Your headphone off. Okay, what is your decision? Right, find the ball. Where is it? Oh god, my ball is absolutely lost. The black ball. The black ball is gone. Had a hard time, lovely rooms. Why is there a cat house over there? Toby's house is moved. Do it from now on. Where is the black ball? Possibly gone somewhere. Now where you have put it. Now I can't do have a ball, Mr. Fat Controller. I think it must be inside. I don't know, it must be somewhere. Oh, it's not even in there. Do you know what? From now on, other case, somebody talking all this ball. Someone taking the ball away. Yeah. Hello, excuse me, what school are you going?
What's that?
What is this school is he going?
What school?
He's going.
At home.
For now he doesn't know, he's going to little school, I don't know what the hell. Where's he got to? It was always just lovely to get that language in school. Department in this house. Go to school, whatever you can call it. Yeah. It's actually called school business. Alright. Have a ball, mister. What do you... Ow. Ouch. Well, time to take a tiny wee sip of it. So let's go up to... Boo, 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 I'm so zombie. It's a zombie. Get out. Get out. Get out. No. You should die here. And why is there an animal in the way? Get out, you lazy, bumpy animal. Oh no, what? Hey, Nugget. Wait, Woody? Take your head with you. A controller. It's always where it takes for a good, lovely rest. Dude, I don't see anything. Okay, it broke. Happily, lovely, never after. Nope. You could smash and break and break to a million pieces everywhere. Oh. Go take a diarrhea. What? Go take a diarrhea. Oh no. Alright, I'm going. Just make sure you do it. Uh-oh. No. 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 No, 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 no. Whoa! Ouch. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. From now on, I am now getting really fast. Wow, a spit! No spitting is allowed doing that. So, always had a lovely good time, or at all. 3, 2, 1. No, 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 no. Now I'm getting subbed out. Wait a minute. Oh. Whoa, ooh. Sorry, got the camera bust. You okay, monster? Oh. I'm sorry for you, Rusty. It's produced by its sponsor, Rusty. Leave Lightning McQueen alone, please, and stop hitting. Stop hitting me! Or you're coming with me to jail. No jail! No jail! Oh, oh, oh. Alright, to bam and slam and bam you all round. You don't ever dare to me! Oh, my windows. Ow, my car windows. Ow, 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 ow. No. Noggin, stop it. Noggin, stop it. Thomas the Tank Engine. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Go away. You don't ever bam and slam and ban into me like that. Now look, my windows are busted. Busted. I got busted more windows because I hate you, 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 hate you more. What's this? What's this? From now on, it's a car. Beep beep. Okay. People's property. You don't ever bite people. Ugh. Not biting people. Oh. Go get. Yeah. Right, thank you. I'll rate this piece a bit more. It's a tiny little piece of a butt. A lovely silver butt. No butts. Okay. Spring fever, it's the end of spring. It's the end of spring, it's the summer vacation. But wait, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Done it! Ouch. There's his head now. Wait, what's that? Thomas. What? I don't know what you plead guilty for. You're guilty. No, you're guilty. No, you're guilty. 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 No. Ha! You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not. I can tell you why. No more food. Hey, what's that smell? No more washing. Wait a minute, what does that smell? That's disgusting! I'm gonna take this trash. Sounds like a Beatles. I don't know what the hell this bottle for. I should get it. Hey, I did not have it. So we'll be able to think. Have a can, Mr. Noggin. I broke it. Yeah. Hey. Yes. No.